Hi, welcome back to this YouTube channel. And if today is your first time of joining us on this YouTube channel, you're warmly welcome. My name is Tose, and refer to myself as an adult entrepreneur. Now, on this channel, this is basically what we do. This is basically what I do. I help teachers leverage on technology and also make the best use of digital materials in the online space, how they can also how they can the privileges and opportunities available online for educators, how they can use it wisely, and also how to gain extra income by doing other stuffs online like tutoring, like creating lesson notes, content, and the rest. So if that is what you're interested in, please go ahead and hit the notification bell and click the subscribe button. All right, today's video, I want to talk about a platform, or let me call it a website, that allows you to sell your old notes, your documents, your tests, your quiz, and the rest and make money. What type of money? Passive income. Because once you upload on this website, anyone that clicks on it or buys or views it, you get paid automatically. You get paid $10 automatically if anyone click on that material you've uploaded. Okay, and on this same platform you can also apply as a tutor, but that's not where I'm going today. I just want to show you how to make passive income using what you already have in your computer or on your phone. Notes, articles that you've written for a long time, assignments that you've written for a long time, you can just upload it to help other students or help other colleagues as well. Okay, so without wasting time, let's just get straight into this video. All right, the site is called studypool.com. Studypool.com. Now, before I show you how to create your own account and things you need to know, let me show you so that you understand what we're doing here. Okay, you type on your browser studypool.com. You type studypool.com. Wait a minute. Yes, studypool.com, right? And you're going to find yourself on this page. This is studypool.com. So what exactly do I want to show you? I want to show you this real quick. I click on the sell document because we want to see how we can sell our document on this website. That's why we are here. Let's go through. Here it is written top earners, right? This person has made total amount of $83,270 by selling documents. 9,636, another person top earners on this platform, another person 63,222 dollars, and so on. Now, what exactly are people selling on this platform? Like I've said earlier, I said you can sell your notes, you can sell your quiz, you can sell exam questions, just any educative materials or content that can help students. Could be articles that you've written for a long time, you can just upload it, and people that need it search for it, and once they land on this page and they click on it, they buy it automatically and you get paid instantly. Okay, you get paid and you can withdraw your money through Payoneer or PayPal or whichever way you prefer. Okay, and if you don't have an account, Payoneer account, a foreign account, I can show you how to do that. If you're interested, you can drop that in the comment section that you want me to show you how to create a Payoneer account. Okay, without much ado, let's check out this. There are some of the documents you can sell here. Let's see what people that are making this huge amount of money, what they sell. So this person says introduction to terminologies and body organization study guide. And this person has sold it 734 times, which has made him total amount of 404. Now, just a single document, okay, has been sold 734 times, 9 pages, okay. So it's not just about posting irrelevant things, because sometimes if you post irrelevant things, who are your target audience? Who are those people that will be coming here to buy? What you've uploaded on this platform is going to help anyone? Who are those people that will be coming there? Will it drive more traffic to you? Will it make you to sell more? So you have to look at these things that I'm showing you, okay? So stick to the end of the video so that I show you how you can go about it. So can you see introduction to terminology? So you can write things in line with this. I'm not saying this is what you should do exactly, but I'm just showing you what people are selling and what are really selling on this platform. So this one says algebra integration notes, medical surgical nursing notes. So can you see chemistry practice exam, digestive system, creating student budget guide, digestive system, creating student, and lots more. Physics general exam question. I told you about exam questions, and so on and so on. So, what exactly do you need to get started? So, you come straight here where it says sell document, okay? Then, or before then, you can sign up, okay? You can sign up, and if you have not signed up, you will even be have to sign up. So, click on sell document. Once you've clicked that, you'll be able to see those things I spoke about. So this is how it works. You upload your document, it get approved within 24 hours. Then the students get to view it, and then you start making money. Once the student views your document, you make money. So you come to this place that says sign up, you click on it and you sign up, okay? So it says your email. Ensure you put a good email, because a verification code will be sent to you. Then your username, put a good username too, and your password, the combination of numbers and letters to form a strong password. And you click on create. Because I've created my own account, I'm just going to log in now. I'm not going to create. Just wait for it. All right, now this is my own profile. I have created my own account. So what I basically want to do here is sell documents. Probably later I might consider becoming a tutor on this platform where I teach and still make money. So you see what people have earned, like I've said earlier on. Then coming to those place, can you see? It says the menu aspect of it. I've sold a couple of questions. I've sold a couple of documents where it says sell documents. Or let me just show you, see my balance. So what I uploaded on this platform is one article. I wrote an article and I uploaded it like a page, 250 words, 250 words article, and because it's just very low content article, so I sold it for $5 per article. So I've sold this same article for about three students, and I've gotten the commission of $5 per each of it. So once you've made over $50, you can come here to withdraw. You see, so you can sign in. You can withdraw your money directly to your Payoneer account, paper, or transfer wise. If you want it to be transferred Western Union, any way you want your money, but minimum amount for withdraw is $50. Okay, so that is all for today's video. And if you have any question or you have anything you want me to know or how you want me to help, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if this content has been useful or helpful, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I drop relevant content like this, you get notified. Click on the notification bell to get more useful content like this from me. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.